What's up guys, this is Eggercon96 here bringing you a little update on the latest Metal Gear Solid 5 Phantom Pain trailer. Now for Metal Gear fans, this has been one exciting trailer with a lot of mystery, and hopefully I can answer some of your questions here with this little explanation that I got from the Metal Gear Solid updated website here, and I'm just going to read what it says and explain some things to you while showing some trailer and screenshots. And here we go. So, Kojima clarifies Metal Gear Solid 5, Ground Zeroes, and Phantom Pain relation. After his GDC presentation, where he showed off the Fox engine in Metal Gear Solid 5, Hideo Kojima gave some clarification on Twitter about how the different sections of the game fit together. Ground Zeroes is a prologue to MGS5. 9 years after that event will be the Phantom Pain. Metal Gear Solid 5 is constructed with Prologue and the main game, TPP, which is the Phantom Pain. The gameplay demo I presented today, as Kojima, is the opening of TPP, which is a tutorial that starts from crawling. So to summarize, the game starts off with Ground Zero segment, Snake infiltrating the prison camp on Cuba. This will most likely take place shortly after Peace Walker, so around 1974. After that, probably after being attacked, Snake falls into a coma and awakes 9 years later. That's when the segment Kojima showed off today takes place. So the gameplay of him crawling is a tutorial to the main game, the Phantom Pain. They used it as a project code as they were not able to use MGS5 out loud, so they started using TPP. So we have a lot of cool screenshots of the Fox engine and you know, the technicality of it and what it can achieve. It's actually pretty amazing, really amazing engine going on here. And yeah, they look great. They look great. On other news, well, some sad news is there is no David Hayter in Metal Gear Solid 5, and it's been confirmed, and there is no reason yet. This is the day right after the trailer came out, so this is March 28th, 2013, and let me read you what it says about David Hayter here. The interview with Geoff Keighley, or Keighley, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, conducted with Hideo Kojima at GDC 2013 will be posted online later this week. Via his Twitter, Keighley let us know that Kojima confirmed David Hayter won't be in the game. He also confirmed a lot of other things, but what exactly Keighley didn't specify. David Hayter, who has been the English voice actor for Snake since Metal Gear Solid 1 in 1998 and for Big Boss in the later games, posted on his Twitter yesterday he had not been contacted for this new game. We can already hear Snake's voice during the gameplay demo, and now Kojima has made it official. What the reason is remains unknown, but Keighley confirmed Kojima will clarify the decision during the interview. It might have something to do with differentiating the changing character of Big Boss from his younger self, Naked Snake, and also from his son, Solid Snake. For such reasons, Big Boss in Metal Gear Solid 4 was voiced by Richard Doyle, but he doesn't seem to have the current voice actor either. We will find out more when the interview hits air. Yeah. So, really excited for this game. I mean, visually it looks fantastic and very engaging, very mysterious, which I like. It's kind of like a different take on Metal Gear Solid. And you can obviously trust Kojima, because, you know, he's a game-making god. But here's some other details about the game. Phantom Pain and Ground Zeroes are one and the same thing, Metal Gear Solid 5. Miller makes a short appearance in the trailer, which we know. Big Boss has been in a coma for 9 years. The trailer is run real-time on the Fox engine. The part where Snake wakes up from his coma, as seen in the Phantom trailer, serves as a tutorial for the game, which we went over. The tutorial is a more linear segment to get familiar with the controls. The rest of the game is open world. Big Boss seems to have a mechanical arm, similar to Zadornov in MGS Peace Walker. Remember the guy with the lighter and the finger. Another thing to note, that Snake didn't seem to be voiced by David Hayter. Yeah, we know that. But yeah, really exciting conference. Really big night for Metal Gear Solid fans. And can't wait to get my hands on this game. So enjoy the rest of the trailer and little screenshots here. And I hope this helped you guys. We don't have too much information yet, but I'm going to start updating you guys as much as I can. So until then, see you guys later.